This DIY home remedy for cracked heels works like a charm. Today's video will discuss how to eliminate cracked heels and get smooth white feet. Wondering what the secret ingredient we are talking about here is? It is mouthwash. Using mouthwash to treat cracked feet is a very common hack on the internet, but if you are concerned about its efficacy, we have some shocking news to tell. Mouthwashes not just give you a fresh breath and squeaky clean, germ-free mouth, but it can also help you treat callousness of the skin. This remedy is also sometimes used to treat athlete's foot and onychomycosis, primarily known as toenail fungus. How to make it? 1 cup of your regular cleaning, antiseptic mouthwash, 1 cup vinegar, you can also use apple cider vinegar, 2 to 4 cups of warm water. Mix mouthwash and vinegar in warm water and then soak your feet in a tub for 20 to 30 minutes. The thymol will fight the germs and start to peel away the dead skin. Tips: if you are someone who has sensitive skin, consider doing a patch test beforehand. The soak can cause mild irritation, so it is in your best interest to try this test beforehand. If you have athlete's foot, try this home remedy along with other treatment options. You should also practice hygiene to keep foot odor and infections at bay. Keeping feet dry and clean, wearing the right kind of socks can prevent fungal infections from coming back. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comments section below.